Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. And we drop news every day, and we also react to every videos that comes our way. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, we appreciate you for your massive support, and we say may God richly bless you all for supporting this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly smash on the subscribe button, put on the bell so you get to know anytime we drop a new video. I have a video to present to you this very moment, and I will be watching that video with you. And after watching, let's drop our opinion constructively at the comment section, like our videos, and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Yeah, they will do their thing. That's how they call the fire truck to come and
We're
take
already
close.
live
Yes.
on our ITV.
Yes. Ew. Yeah. It's Facebook. Never reach here. Just now we have like 10 views. You see? Come on, see. And that thing is true. Yes. It's, should be see, but it's building up, right?
I can't flaunt your
Independent television.
Oh, Sass, you are very bad. The question they were asking, you were asking another question. I'll shut it down.
Okay. You want to do too much.
Hi, Ode.
It's a live video.
I don't know why you're in this. You trying to want to tell me.
What I said, use your calling.
Doesn't matter.
You need to be sure that it's your and the phone is immediately now in the wrong hand.
The mistake number. All encompassing. Strong. Horror.
I swear.
I think I've tried because
Yeah.
everybody's on my neck now.
Yeah.
So please, you have to shut down.
Just okay.
He's back here.
Yeah, please, you have to shut down. Oh, yeah.
We have.
The occupants of this hostel, they are shocked. They never believe that this hostel will come down.
Yes.
You are carrying iron
Thank you.
instead of carrying. You see this divider? These people were into illegal abortion and
Yeah, stuff. Because of that divider, do you get? Daniel! Daniel!
this guy na golf driver.
Where they go? Those ones that used to hunt.
That's looking like the virus.
I can't eat the break. They don't already do what?
You know what he said, but what they are saying. But without demolition, they don't sleep like thief and those like outside boys and stuff. And now they are not demolishing like it was. We're looking out for that our friend. I'm seeing him, I'm blocking him with Mr. Fisher. He did the last side for road. Daniela.
Yeah, they're giving them time.
Who is carrying power bank here? Nobody.
Hey, we know the carry.
Phones, my own phones are bad.
20%.
The occupants of this hostel, they are shocked. They never believed that this hostel will come down.
Welcome back, my correct people. This video we just watched is happening in Abuja, and it happened few hours ago. And if you listen carefully to the guy recording this video, he said the occupants of this building never expect that this building could be brought down or demolished. This is indeed very, very painful. You can imagine now, many of them now that was living in this house don't even have where to go, and they don't have where to start. Just imagine the way they are packing their things. They even, they lost many goods there, because as you can see here, there is shop there also, and there is also living house. So where are these people going to start from? If you ask now, they did not compensate them. They left them stranded. Look at that little child over there. How are they going to survive this hardship? This is very bad. Nigeria, we should try and move. Nigeria, we are not supposed to demolish any building, because many cities, many Nigeria citizens, they don't even have where to lay their head. So those people that have where to lay their head, they are busy demolishing their building. Federal government, Nigeria government, Buhari, please do something. This is very bad. So let me know what you think about this video at the comment section. Bye for now.